come a long way on the subject of wisdom, but we're not quite done yet. For successful entrepreneurs, the future is now. Let's talk about disruptive technologies, shall we? With the growing wave of disruptive technologies out there now, the world is already in the industrial revolution. There's artificial intelligence, robotics, Internet of Things, blockchain technology, machine learning, 3D printing. There's a plethora. Do not underestimate far-reaching implications of these emerging technologies. Why? They are disrupting cultures. They are disrupting beliefs, even your customers' beliefs, their needs and what they want. They are disrupting business models. They are disrupting job descriptions. They are disrupting the economic assumptions that were previously named. This is what is happening in the market out there right now. Now, I read a report recently, the McKinsey Global Institute, and I quote, the report states, by 2030, up to 800 million people around the globe are going to be rendered jobless by automations and AI applications. And it goes on, not only with these workers have to find new jobs, but half of them, 14% of the global workforce, may have to find new occupations entirely, as the fields they previously worked in will likely disappear or need fewer human workers. Now, what does this portend? And this report was made, I think, sometime in 2018, long before the COVID-19 pandemic caused us to be locked down and caused many to realize that they did not have to go out to work, and many corporate bodies realized that their staff can work from home, or that AI can take over the work of the staff. Now is the time for you to diversify your skill base. Now is the time for you to learn new soft skills and competencies. Okay? This is the time to sharpen the saw. Because with these developments, everybody's job is at stake. Everybody. Okay? There are robotics that can, and AI applications that can do everything a lawyer does, except, of course, stand before the judge to defend the client. Well, I'm not even sure that's not possible now. Okay? There are robotics that can perhaps close corporate deals. Who knows? Some can do everything an accountant does, even make presentation of financials quite efficiently to a board of directors. Robotics can do everything a medical doctor does, except, well, maybe a few areas that require human touch. There are even AI technologies that can run the entire spectrum of staff recruitment from start to finish. Unless, of course, you have decided to outsource your HRM functions. Skills required for future employment will be soft skills. They will rarely be technical. Why is this so? Because many technical skills will already be programmed into high-tech robots and AI applications. This is the reality of the future of work. This is what is happening out there. This is what will grant competitive advantage for corporations, small businesses, and startups. This is the strategic choice to make if truly your business is on a quest for profit and long-term survival. The future of work is about simplicity. Take courses. Expand your knowledge of your chosen field. Knowledge empowers. To upgrade your business, improve on every skill required to succeed. I said it before, what you do not know can hurt you. These emerging technologies are disrupting industries. They are disrupting skill requirements. They are disrupting business models as we knew them to be. Okay? They are these competencies. They are the substructures upon which skills of the future are being built. Get smart. These competencies are helping workers to embrace change, to think creatively, and to think collaboratively, and more effectively future-proof themselves from disruption. These are the tools that are making you more competitive now and in the future. The World Economic Forum define 10 skills of the future. I just want to share them with you. You can Google them, but let me just share these 10 skills of the future with you. The first is complex problem solving. These are the skills that we'll be selling, by the way. Critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordinating with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, service orientation, negotiation, cognitive flexibility. These are the skills of the future. And guess what? The future is here now. Those who excel in every endeavor in this prescribed future will have built their self-worth by what they know, their confidence by what they know, by their expressiveness by what they know, their problem solving and opportunity spotting capabilities by what they know. Why? Because they got wisdom. In everything, wisdom is the principal thing. Get wisdom. Listen, business is a faith venture. It is possible for you to get knowledge and understanding via revelation. It is possible. Business is a faith venture. Your faith in the power working in you is the ability that you have to do impossible things. Pay attention. Be spiritually sensitive. To keep your business alive and thriving, be wise in deploying information, revelation knowledge that you can access conversations in heaven. There is no failure in heaven. Therefore, ask for knowledge. Ask for what to do, wisdom to build on earth as it is in heaven. I'm saying it again. Business is a faith venture. Get smart. Thank you for your time.